New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Convertible. This example is finished in Tuxedo Black Exterior paint over a black vinyl interior, which according to the trim tag on this example is the factory correct color combination for it. This one is a 4-speed manual equipped example and is also a numbers matching 427, 435 horsepower V8 powered example as well. This Corvette has the Redline tires, which wrap around Reproduction bolt-on wheels, and of course we notice the side exhaust pipes, which are iconic to especially the Stingray generation of Corvette. This one is a highly detailed frame-off example and also has most factory correct components underneath the hood and a very nice sharp look, especially with the Stinger hood there featuring the red accent up top. Kind of matches with those Redline tires as well and presents the 427 badging very nicely. This one also includes a spare tire carrier as well as a black soft top which folds behind the seats inside this one, which of course we can see here are finished in that black vinyl finishing. The 4-speed manual gear lever there located in the center console features the correct shifter, and the odometer in this one shows right around 67,000 miles, but of course that information has to be taken with a grain of salt. This one also features seatbelts and an AM/FM radio. This car shows extremely well and is definitely car show ready. So as always with our vehicle previews as well as this one, we will get a startup clip and a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.